Hey, it's Lauren. Today I'm going to be showing you two tea hauls. They're both from Bird & Blend. I just ordered them separately and I'm just going to put them in the same video. So, I'm going to show you the matcha first, because I went ahead and bought the Rainbow Matcha collection. There's basically 5 mini tins and there's meant to be like, it says there's 3 servings in each. But there's a lot of matcha inside to be 3 servings. So I'm going to show you the orange and passion fruit one first. That's a very strong bitter matcha scent. There's no zestiness for me there. So orange and passion fruit has the Japanese matcha green tea, natural flavouring and orange peel in there. We also have the pina colada. There's not much of a pina colada scent. It just smells really almost sickly sweet to me. But that is the pina colada, and it has coconut nectar, baobab fruit pulp, sugar, lucuma, lemon peel and natural flavouring in there as well. I also have the mermaid matcha. So I think this is just matcha with the blue pea flower or powder in there, which makes it brew blue. It's hard to say that. Blue. Brew blue. It's matcha and then like a sweet caramel scent. Like, it's matcha and something else, but it's a lot darker than the other ones. So I'm excited for that. It's just matcha, coloured matcha basically. That one has blue pea flower, Japanese matcha green tea, carob and natural flavouring. So I'm going to do the turmeric matcha next. Ooh, that's very spicy. It's kind of like a golden colour. It's definitely turmeric. I have tried the Tea Pig's turmeric and it doesn't smell anything like that. So it has turmeric, cinnamon, rooibos matcha. So I imagine that's kind of like normal matcha, but it's rooibos has been ground up in the same way as an actual matcha, as a green tea matcha. And it also has ginger and black pepper. That's interesting. It's very spicy. We'll see. I will actually try to make a latte with that one, because I'm pretty interested in that flavour. And we have the black magic. There's charcoal in here, and it is black and so messy. I'm gonna put the lid back on, huh? Ooh, it smells a little bit like chocolate or coconut or... oh no. This is very messy. Okay. Activated coconut charcoal, cocoa powder, matcha green tea and Kenyan white matcha. So that sounds very nice. So there is coconut and... oh, got it on my nose. How? Is it going to come off? Can't believe this. Charcoal on my nose. Okay. So I'm pretty excited, I think, for turmeric and black magic, because for me they are the most interesting flavours here, or scents to me, because the orange and the pina colada didn't really smell like much to me. The mermaid is just going to be blue, so I'm pretty interested in the black magic and the turmeric. I also actually picked up the Curious matcha, and I haven't actually opened this. I think I had scissors. I don't know how I'm going to open it now. Like that. So this is the Curious matcha collection. And inside are 5 more tins. This isn't all of it. This isn't all the matcha I got, guys. I got more. I got more than this. And I got this one because of the interesting things inside. So there's another mermaid matcha, so I'm not going to open that. I think I'm going to go with the apples and pears. Let's have a look at this. There is a little bit of an apple scent there, but it's not very strong. So that one has matcha green tea, beetroot, dehydrated apple powder and natural flavouring granules. So there's a lot of I'm just moving the matcha along. Okay, there's also the ultraviolet. I think this is going to be purple. It's not purple. Oh, it smells like lavender, or I don't know how to describe it. It smells kind of like purple. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, it's very difficult to put this back on though. I'm very interested in this. It has a Japanese matcha green tea, cardamom, I think, is that what it says? The rip is right in the middle of that word. There is lavender in this, that sounds really good. There is matcha on my bed. Okay. Ooh, which one do I go for first? So I have chili kale and then swamp thing. I'm gonna go for chili kale because this sounds really interesting. Ooh. Ah, I just got it on my nose. I hope I don't sneeze. So if I sneeze, then all of this powder would just go. It might have pepper in because oh, I keep getting it on my nose. It's very I think my nose is turning green. Okay, the chili kale has Japanese matcha green tea, kale and cayenne pepper, which is kind of like a chili, but it's milder than a chili, I think. It is a little bit of spice. There is a little bit of an earthy, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. There is a bit of an earthiness to it. So let's move on to the swamp thing, and this is described as lavender and lime. Surprisingly, it's not as lavender, it's not as strong as the ultraviolet. I can smell more of the lime. There is matcha powder everywhere, I swear. Okay, Japanese matcha green tea, spirulina, nettle, natural flavouring and lavender. So I can actually smell the nettle in there. Okay, I did also buy 3 of the tins. I know you can't buy this on the main website. It's in the secret access website, not the Xmas in July one, a different one. I think it's actually still in here somewhere. But basically, it's like the same start as the website for this, but the / it just says secret access afterwards. So these were on that website, and they're £2 each, these tins, and they were only selling these 3. So this is the Mate Matcha, and it does smell like yerba mate. Oh god. And just blew some on my knee. It does smell like yerba mate tea. I said it 2 different ways then. I don't know which way you meant to pronounce it, but I think it's yerba mate, but it also sounds like you should say yerba mate. So I think that one smells really nice, but that one will have a lot more caffeine in, I think. It doesn't really say if it's just yerba mate tea in there. I think it might be, but it is a bit green, so it might be mixed in, but that will have a lot more caffeine in. So this one is Mixology Matcha. So it's perfect for lattes and smoothies. I think this one has white tea in. White matcha in there, as well as green. And last one, well, I say last matcha, that's not the last matcha, guys. Beetberry matcha. And this one's pretty interesting. So it's a beetroot and rooibos powder blend. Oh, it's very sweet, and it is a reddish colour. Very sweet. You can smell the rooibos in there. Okay. So that's a lot of matcha tins. I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I just went from 0 to 13 matcha tins in one day. Okay, I'm going to go through samples now. So I did get ice cream matcha. I have already done a review of this, and it's an okay tea. I think there should be another one. I think I got 2 of those. I do have a ginger nut matcha. I've never tried it. I'm pretty excited. Salted caramel. 2 salted caramels, sorry. A lemon and a pure matcha. So those are the matcha samples. I do have some there that I haven't tried. We have 2 snowball tea bags in there. 1 snowball tea bag in here. So it seems like most of the tea bag samples they're doing right now are snowball. It's like a dark chocolate and coconut scent. But in this one, I don't know if you can see, but it looks like there are 2 different strings in there. So those are the samples. I swear I had another ice cream matcha sample, but I can't find it. So we're just going to move on to the actual teas that I bought. And this one is lemon and raspberry. It's an iced tea, and it's one of the ones from the iced tea campaign. And I'm pretty excited for it. I have opened this already, but I haven't actually opened the other 3. Okay. There is a lemon and raspberry scent. It is literally lemon and raspberry. It does brew blue, so it's another one that brews blue. There are blue pea flowers in there, and I actually saw this on Instagram and I thought it looked pretty cool. So it's like a purpley blue colour. And there is green tea, apple pieces, rose hip, blue pea flowers, orange peel, freeze-dried raspberry and natural flavouring. I think it smells really nice. So that is what it looks like inside there. I'm pretty excited to taste these flavours. So these 3 were only available with the Mate Matcha, the Mixology, the Beetberry on the Secret Access website. So these 3 teas I'm going to show you are not on the actual main website. I'm going to try and find the piece of paper that had all the information on. Here it is. Okay. Okay, I got it. So this is where I got these teas from. And it's a VIP secret site membership, and it says it will give you access to secret website featuring blends not currently available on the main website or in store. Which is confusing to me because the Beetberry, Mixology and Mate you can get on the main website. I don't know if they were exclusives or seasonal, I don't know. But this is the website for that. It is www.bit.ly/secret-website. And it's pretty good. There are quite a few teas on there. There's some Valentine's Day specials on there, like Cloud9. I actually picked up 3. So I got Crush and Blush, and it is a oolong tea. I love oolong teas. I feel like I don't have enough oolongs. Rose petals, cascara, coffee, cherry. I haven't opened this. This is completely first reaction. Ooh, this is interesting. That's big. So I think this is the cascara coffee cherry, maybe. It's a very subtle, like, rose and cherry coffee scent. You can smell the rose the most, I think. But it's a pretty big tea. This is 50 grams. You could only buy it in 50 grams, I think, which is why I only got 3, because it become more expensive. But that is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. There's a lot of it. Okay, let's close that. We also have Duvet Day. This is a white tea with coconut, jasmine and cinnamon. And that is literally the ingredients. This is coconut, cinnamon, jasmine blossoms. Okay. Gonna see what it smells like. Ooh, that's very coconut. Ooh, that's a very overwhelming coconut scent, actually. Like, it's literally like you bought a pot of desiccated coconut. Okay. So there is Chinese white tea in here. You can kind of see the flowers. Yellow bit, I imagine, are the flowers. But you can see all the coconut in there. This one was actually more expensive. I think it was like £7 for the 50 gram bag because it's the white tea in there, which is slightly more expensive than black or green or just any kind. So the last one I got was lemon sherbet, and this sounded cool, and I was like, that sounds like a nice iced tea. So I picked it up. It doesn't smell like lemon sherbet to me. Okay, so there's green tea, lemon verbena, lemon peel and natural flavour. It smells like lemon, but it's not lemon sherbet. I don't know. There's a lot of, you can definitely see the lemon verbena in there. That's basically all I can see in there. And there is green tea, but you can't see it very much. Yeah, it doesn't smell like sherbet. It's just lemon. So, I actually think that is everything that I got for this haul. Just check this list. They did actually send messages, and they're both from Julie, and it says, I hope you enjoy making some colourful drinks. Happy brewing, from Julie. And this one says, please tag us on social media at Bird and Blend. We love seeing people's pics of our tea. And that is basically everything that I got. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do have another tea haul to show you, so I'll probably film that after this video. It's from Tea Pigs. So I'll see you next time.